So how do you spend your day off? Mm-hmm. Oh, Roscoe. I was trying to figure out how to get some good protein in him. So I had some layer feed. So that's 16%. The crumbles are 16%. And I decided to put a little water in it, heat it up into a mash so he can get it down easier. And then I saw some eggs on the counter and I thought, oh good lord, that right there's protein. So I separated the yolks from the whites and mixed it all in. Put in some Nutrient Drench, which is a fortified vitamin thing for goats, but I thought, what the heck, I don't think it'll kill him. I hope I find out I'm right about that. But I popped it in the microwave and nuked it all together for him. And he is tearing it up too, ain't he? Actually, see, the cats are wanting to eat it too. Right, Kismet? So that's why I'm babysitting him. Anyway. Happy Thursday, right? Today's Thursday? I don't even know. Cheers from the Half-Wit Homestead. Ha ha.